South African football mourns the loss of Siyabonga Zulu and Nhlanhla Masina in tragic car crash. The South African football community is reeling from the devastating news of a fatal car accident that claimed the lives of former Mamelodi Sundowns and Orlando Pirates defender Siyabonga Zulu and his teammate Nhlanhla Masina. The tragic incident also left former Moroka Swallows winger Thabo Mosadi critically injured and receiving medical treatment in hospital. Zulu, at just 31 years old, had an impressive football career spanning over a decade. A product of the Orlando Pirates Academy, he made his professional debut in 2011 and went on to play for several clubs, including Blackburn Rovers, East London, United FC, Sivucha FC, Chippa United, Platinum Stars, Black Leopards, All Stars, and La Masia. His most recent contributions were at Phezulu FC in Mpumalanga, where he played a pivotal role in mentoring young talent. He also had the honor of representing South Africa at the national level, earning a call-up to Bafana Bafana squad under coach Shakes Mashaba. His debut against Mauritiana was memorable, though bittersweet, as he received a red card. Despite the setback, Zulu remained undeterred, displaying his characteristic fearlessness on the pitch. Zulu's untimely passing is not only a heartbreaking loss for Phezulu FC, but also for the broader South African football fraternity. His transition from top-flight football to the lower leagues demonstrated his unwavering passion for the game, and he continued to inspire the next generation of players through his leadership and experience. His story is a reflection of the challenges faced by many footballers who move through the ranks from the heights of the Premier Soccer League to the often overlooked lower divisions. Through it all, Zulu never lost his love for the sport, embodying resilience and determination. As tributes pour in from former teammates, coaches, and fans, Zulu's impact on the game is evident. He was more than just a footballer. He was a mentor, a fighter, and a symbol of perseverance. His presence on and off the pitch will be sorely missed. Phezulu FC now faces the daunting task of moving forward without one of its most influential figures. His leadership and experience were invaluable assets to the team, and his absence leaves a significant void. The tragic accident that took lives of Zulu and Masina serves as a stark reminder of the fragility of life. As the football community mourns this loss, Siyabonga Zulu's legacy will undoubtedly live on in the hearts of those he touched, inspiring young players to chase their dreams with the same passion he displayed throughout his career. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.